How to convert image to PDF. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in this video, we will learn how we can convert an image to PDF in your device. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, locate your image that you want to convert into PDF. So here is my image in my desktop. After that, right click on the image. And from here, click on open with. And from here you have to choose photos, so click on photos. After that, what you have to do is you have to click on print option from here, so click on print. Now once you land on here, you can choose the landscape if you want to make it. So from here you can choose the orientation, whether you want to make it landscape or portrait, so that's up to you. According to your preferences, choose one. You can choose the paper size. So from here, let's go to A4. Photo size, margins, and field base. And the important thing is that here at the top, make sure you have chosen the Microsoft Print to PDF. Even though if you're not connected to any external PDF, make sure to save all of these settings. Once you're done, now click on Print. Then you have to select the path or the folder or the location where you want to save your PDF to. So for now, we will select desktop and then name your file, my PDF. Then simply click on save. So once you have done that, you can close your image and there you can see the PDF that we have recently created from this image. If you open this PDF, there you go, the image is right there and it is in PDF format. So that's how you can convert an image into PDF. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.